Hi everyone, this one here is the dried bean curd stick, which is yellow in color. You see in the packet. You have to pre-soak it and cut it to the size you want, or leave it as the length you want, and boil it until it's nice and soft. And it's very good in soup. You can put it in the soup. For me, I'm going to keep some for soup and also some for a good stir fry. This is high protein, made from soybean concentrate. To make this bean curd, they have to boil the soybean, and when the water floats, they have to skim out the dirt first, and then later on you find a very thick cream surfacing on the top layer of the soybean water or drink. Okay, so they take out the first top layer and they put it on the stick to dry in the sun, and this is how you get your bean curd stick. So those of you who are vegetarian, it's good to add this in your diet. It's very, very healthy. Yum. You can have so many ways of cooking it, 1001 ways. Especially if you are non-vegetarian, you're so used to meat cooking, you will know how to enjoy this in your style of way when you cook it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my cooking video for recipe ideas or recipes I've shown there, or recipes I can talk you through by looking at just the finished product. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate this. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. Cooking with Nancy. Please share my cooking video. I really appreciate it. It gives me inspiration to do more YouTube. And on Facebook, you don't have to be my friend, but you can see the daily cooking that I cook on the spot without thinking, because cooking is like the breeze in the tree. When it's a strong wind, the leaves will blow fast. When it is nice and calm, everything is still. So when it is still, I'm doing something else elsewhere in my home. Okay? I'm always busy, never idle. Thank you so much for being my friend. Bye for now.